This lesson will cover the third type of sentence, complex sentences. A complex sentence is made of an independent clause and a dependent clause merged together. The location of the dependent clause depends on its type. There are three types of dependent clauses, so the structure will depend on the type of dependent clause. In the first example, I don't know where my book is. The dependent clause, where my book is a noun clause. In this case, it is located at the end of the sentence because it is the direct object. However, noun clauses could also be in the subject position. This lesson will not go in depth about noun clauses. The second example reads, the puppy that is under the table barks a lot. The dependent clause is, that is under the table, and it is an adjective clause. Notice that it divides the independent clause. The last example is, Heather didn't sleep because Edith barked all night. The dependent clause, because Edith barked all night, is an adverb clause. We will take a closer look at adverb clauses. An adverb clause consists of a subordinating conjunction, a subject, and a verb. As seen in the previous example, because Edith barked. Because is the conjunction, Edith is the subject, and barked is the verb. Unfortunately, there's no fancy acronym to remember subordinating conjunctions. Here's a list of some that are common in no particular order. Although, after, as, before, if, even though, while, whereas, when, once, unless, and until. There are two ways to structure a complex sentence with an adverb clause. The first has the adverb clause in the beginning, followed by a comma, and then the independent clause. As an example, although I went to sleep late, comma, I am not tired. The adverb clause or dependent clause is although I went to sleep late. And because it is at the beginning of the sentence, there must be a comma after. The second structure is having the adverb clause second. In this case, no comma is necessary. I am not tired, although I went to sleep late. Let's summarize. Complex sentences contain an independent and dependent clause. There are three types of dependent clauses: noun, adjective, and adverb. Adverb clauses can be located at the beginning, in which case there is a comma that is necessary, or it could be located at the end, in which case no comma is necessary. This concludes my lesson on complex sentences. Good luck and happy writing.